Imagine caves so pitch black that creatures living there have never ever seen light. Welcome to the Yawning Caves of Iran, home to the mysterious blind cavefish. These unique fish have evolved over thousands of years to live without sight, relying solely on their enhanced senses of smell and touch. Scientists are baffled by how these fish have adapted to survive in such extreme isolation, offering intriguing insights into evolution and survival. The fish have lost their pigmentation and eyes, yet thrive in the dark waters, a testament to nature's incredible adaptability. As the mysteries of these yawning caves unfold, what other secrets might they hold beneath their rocky surfaces?